Welcome to the Ask Ajit series. Now, this is the place where you get to ask your questions, and I, Ajit, will actually answer them for you in regards to the installation. Thank you very much. Now, let's get on. Question number one for the Ask Ajit series: who can be my 500 ringgit sponsor for the souvenir booklet? Well, the way I look at it is this: if you're a woman, you can actually go to your saloon. They'll be able to advertise there. For guys, not so much luck. I doubt. I know my barber is not going to advertise himself. And what else? What else could you use, right? What about the places that you buy furniture from? What about the places that you buy your computer stuff from? If you've got a printer, you definitely need to buy ink. You're definitely going somewhere to buy ink unless you're buying it online. What about the place that you buy your cabinets from? What about the people that the store that you go to buy stationaries from? Right, I'm sure you're going in there quite often. I know I do. What about the people who renovated your home? What about the plaster ceiling guys, or even perhaps let's think, right? I'm thinking it on the fly. This is not a prepared speech. I'm actually thinking it on the fly as well. What about the people what about the carpenters that basically help you with around the house? What about your veterinarian? What about your family doctor? What about your dentist that you go to, right? What else? What else can you think of? Do you have any ideas? I mean, this is what the ideas that I can think of. And don't ever forget that it's not just that you are asking them for the 500 ringgit to actually advertise there so that you can fulfill your quota. It's just not about that. It's not about fulfilling your quota here, guys. It is about giving someone an opportunity to advertise in our booklet so that we will be able to run projects. We will be, because of your effort, we will be able to provide books to children. Because of your effort, we will be able to provide spectacles for children. Because of your effort, we'll be able to do something good for the homeless. At the same time, because of you, you have actually enabled your vendor or your friend to basically access market that he would naturally wouldn't have, right? Because the thing is that his advertisement or her advertisement is going to be in the booklet for about a year, for exactly about a year. So we can do this. Think of people around you. What are the services that you're using all the time? Those are people that you can approach. And the best part is this: I've actually listed quite a number. All you need is one. So I don't see a problem there. If you have got any other questions, let me know. Thank you very much.